there! Saturday my jigsaw bow from Zaf arrived, and I had taken a few videos already with the mini short introduction and very first shots, because I wanted to take this bow to the tournament from the archery club, and that tournament took place 2 hours after the bow was delivered, so I didn't have the proper time to do a review meeting. And furthermore, the sun was not shining. Okay, now the sun is shining, and now I want to do the proper video because the bow deserves it. It's this jigsaw bow. Usually the jigsaw bow has some grooves here on the handle, and it has a shelf. So that's usually the specifics, and the shape itself is always the same, but in this case I asked Romi if he could do me a jigsaw bow without the shelf, and that means that we do not have the grooves here on the back. That's one point. The next point is special about this bow is the handle section. As you can see, this is resin, and here included are a few pieces of wood, techno wood, that have been thrown to the bucket, and then the resin has been set on it, and then it hardened like this, and it's a bit translucent here. What Romi did not know is that these colors are pretty much the colors that appear in a very special reptile. This reptile is called agama agama. Now you can guess why my name is referring to this reptile. I had this species once in my terrarium, and I didn't know much about this species. I learned a lot, and I only recommend that you do not buy this species. They are usually living in Africa, in Tanzania, and they're following the human houses and so on, so they're quite close to human beings, and they got caught there, transported via airplane. A lot of animals died during this transportation, and they're extremely they're very stressed if they're kept in captivity. So please do not buy these animals in the shops. That would help a lot. So this is just for information. In the first photos that you see in the beginning of the video, you can see a male variant. These are very, very colorful animals, so with an orange head, with steel blue and turquoise colors, so really beautiful animals. And these colors can also be seen here in this handle. And this was quite astonishing, because when I ordered the bow, I said, yeah, you can throw in the white, yeah, so a bit ice wood, black, red, that's it. Because I thought of something completely different. But Zaf is an artist, and so he just does something, and then it turns out to be great. Okay, so this is the background for this handle and why it's so special for me. Alright, specifics for the bow. The bow has a strength of 30 pounds at 28 inches. The length unstrung 51 inches, strung 49. And what else? Race height is 2.5 inches. Arrow pass 21.5 millimeters. Weight 460 grams. And it shoots fantastic. So I've already tried it, yeah, so not this first shot, yeah, maybe I just make a cut and show the very first shots. Zaf recommended to use 700 spined arrows, and so I have two of them. One is below 300 grain and the other is above. So let's see. Ah, and he has placed a locking point here. Very good. Didn't warm up myself. Very nice. More heavy ones. Aha! Yeah, he likes heavy arrows. Zaf recommended in his test video to use arrows that have a spine of 700. I tried this during my first shots as well, and since I wanted to go to the tournament, I took some 900 spine arrows as well as 800 spine arrows. And for the more distant targets, I get very well with the 900 Neora Pro, so these were flying best for me. Maybe this is because of my draw length. Yeah, it worked very good. So I had the others as well, and yeah, there was a bit too high. Yeah, mostly too high. It cannot be that this is my aiming. No, it must be the spine, you know. Okay, then I show you here the first shots today with my jigsaw. A few words regarding the materials. On the belly side we have wenge, which is a very dark wood. Then we have bamboo and ash wood in the core of the limbs. And on the outside we have ice wood, horn, buffalo horn, and curly birch. And here on the tips we have caramelized bamboo, carbon, ice wood, carbon, ice wood. Hope you can see it. Go away, fly. All right. The string is made of, what was it? I wrote it down here. 97 with Spectra. Yeah. Some kind of fast flight, I think. Okay. Then shooting. The 900 spine. $700. Okay, forgot to mention in the beginning, the jigsaw is based on the Egypt triangular bow. And the Assyrian people had the triangular bow as well, but the difference is that the Egypt bow did not have ziyas, it was only tips. So, learned this today from Zaf. Thank you very much for the education. Okay, what do I think of my jigsaw? A very nice bow. And since Romi has done his magic on the handle colors, it's a soul bow for me. It shoots very nice. You can shoot hours with it without getting tired. Up to 30 inches draw length, the bow is smooth. I usually have around 28 up to 30 inches. I work on the right side to get even larger than that, so I don't max out this bow, promise. And the handle feels very nice. It's rounded, so no edges, so you can see I've shot now an hour, no problem. And it's very nice. So thank you very much, Zaf, for building this bow for me, and I appreciate it a lot. And thanks everybody for watching. Have a nice week. Stay tuned. Bye bye.